Once upon a time in the little village of Greendale, there lived a smart boy named Tommy. Tommy had bright blue eyes and a mind that sparkled with curiosity about everything around him. He loved solving puzzles and answering riddles more than anything else in the world. His favorite place was the village library, where ancient books told tales of faraway lands and hidden treasures. One sunny afternoon, Tommy discovered an old map tucked away in the back of one dusty book titled The Secret of the Forest. The map looked ancient, with directions and a marked X deep in the heart of woodland forest. Curious and excited, Tommy decided this was his next great adventure. After packing a small bag with essentials, Tommy set off on his adventure. Waving goodbye to his beloved library, Tommy followed the map, solving numerous riddles written in cryptic verses. The first riddle led him to the biggest oak tree in the forest, where he found a wooden clue box. Inside the clue box was a small riddle that said, "I have hundreds of rings but no fingers." Tommy thought for a moment and then shouted, "It's a tree!" He looked around the majestic forest and realized the map pointed toward a thick group of trees. The trees stood in a perfect circle. As he stepped into the circle, he discovered a hidden trapdoor on the ground. Being a smart boy, Tommy had brought a little toolkit with him. Using his tools, he managed to open the trapdoor. The trapdoor led to a dark stairway spiraling downward. Taking a deep breath, Tommy descended the stairs and found himself in a secret chamber, glowing with golden artifacts and sparkling jewels. In the center was an ancient book titled The Wisdom of the Forest. The book's pages were filled with fun stories and wise words, just waiting for someone like Tommy to explore. Tommy realized the real treasure was not the glittering jewels but the knowledge he'd gained along the way and the discovery itself. With a heart full of joy, Tommy returned to Greendale with tales of his adventures. He shared the secrets and wisdom with everyone who loved a good story, turning what could have been another ordinary day into an extraordinary one for the whole village. Tommy learned that being smart isn't just about finding treasures, but also about the wisdom and joy of learning.